All right, up next we have Project 7, which is the movie Eve review. This is even shorter than the last. On the first Saturday of each month, the entire staff gathers in the theaters after hours for a free showing of the latest movie. They discuss the movie, they put together this review, and it goes out on their website. So we're going to walk through this. Unless otherwise noted, we want to make sure that our font is correct. 11. Calibrate, that's all set. Be sure that we have single space, no additional spacing. It's a very compact document here. On line 1 of your document, key the following text left align single space with blank lines between each paragraph. So that's the first thing I'm going to do is walk through and put in this extra space between my paragraphs, leaving this like little factoid section down at the bottom altogether. All right, down here we are going to be using the tab key. So we are simply going to tab this out twice and see if that gets us there. So when you press tab, it automatically moves you to the next ½ inch available. So some of these are only going to need to be pressed once, while others will need to be tabbed twice to get it to that spot. We do want to make sure that this last one is hyperlinked. So to hyperlink something, you just right click on it and tell it that you want it to hyperlink and press OK. The other thing you can do if it's already a web address is just press enter, and Microsoft already knows what you're trying to do. It should be saved correctly. I should have done that first. Get rid of text, Stibs, Danielle. In my folder, now I need to turn it in. I told you guys this one was very short. Student work, business, Stibs, completed work, tech trends, project 7, turn it in. This one looks just like this, easy peasy. If you want to put in additional tabs to get it to look a little more like the answer key, you absolutely can. And there you go.